please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
Now then, where are we? I am heading to the train station and I'm heading to Manchester. I'm going back on something I said a few weeks ago. Never ever 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 go anywhere on a bank holiday. Today is Bank Holiday Monday and I'm going to Manchester, but it's a case of having to go because Man City are parading the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup through the city, and also saying goodbye to Pep, Bernardo Silva and John Stones. So if you want to see that, I've got to bite the bullet and I've got to go on public transport through the city centres on a bank holiday. So I can see myself getting irritated, but I'm also going to make a full day of it, do some street photography. I'm going to travel around on the trams. I'm going on my own for a simple reason. I want to fast, and if I go with anybody else I won't be able to hold that fast and I won't be able to do my street photography how I've got it in my head. So let's see what happens today. I've got myself plenty of water. I can always buy more water in Manchester. I'm going to try not have any food until tomorrow lunchtime. I started my fast last night at 6 o'clock. I've also got my camera, the 28 to 70 lens, that's all, and I'm filming on the Insta360 Go 3. I can also put that to my chest, hopefully get some good street photos and some good footage of the city team in the bus, but more importantly photographs of people in the crowd, nice artistic colourful shots of all the Blues. So I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a long day, it's going to be tough, but what I've not got to do is give in and buy any food. It's all part of the diet. It's hard to explain. Oh, go to Manchester on bank holiday, should be having a few beers and some food and enjoying yourself. Done all that a million times in the past. Now, just get myself nice and slim. Do I get a paper ticket or do I go digital? About 25 minutes till the train comes. I'm about 5 or 6 minutes away from the station. What do I do? Charming. Right, are we on time?
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the 0914 Trans-Pennine Express.
9:29, 15 minutes to go. Oh yeah. Can I have a, what's the difference between an open day return to Manchester Piccadilly or just an open return? Is there a difference in price?
A couple of quid with your rail card. So the day returns.
Yeah. Have you got that? Yeah.
Yeah. Day returns 15.85. The open returns 17.50.
Right, I'll just get the day return. I don't think I'll stop.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you.
See ya. Ready to Manchester Piccadilly, it's an absolute scorcher. I've got a little plan in my head, I don't know if I'll stick to the plan. Obviously, first of all, I'm going to have a look around the Etihad because I want to see how it's coming on, the new stand. Then I'm going to get the tram to Deansgate and Castlefield, Salford Quays, and then head back into Northern Quarter mid-afternoon and do a little bit of street photography around there. No rush, no pressure, just plod on. I've got about 8, 9, 10 hours just to plod around. I'm going to try and use my loaf today and look for some good compositions. Look for the shadows, interesting people, the light. No rush, got plenty of time, no alcohol involved. So hopefully by the end of the day I should have some nice footage. Well, I've got my tram ticket. Let's have a wander around for a bit.
6 like a month.
Oh, it's red hot. Right, I'm going to go in the Arndale. I want to find out about a water filter, but you don't need to know that. It's good to see plenty of blues. It's only 10:30 in the morning and they're gearing up for the parade. But I'll come back later on, for that's a bit early to bother about that yet. What a beautiful scorching day in Manchester.
You'll receive the breakfast.
What you say, no one? I'm gonna knock her up, mate. I'm telling you no. What you mean you sold the dog for me on white, man? Huh? Fucking hell. Serious? Oh, dog, don't forget the drama, man.
So this is where the bus is going to be setting off from, but obviously to get in here you're going to probably have to get in about 3 o'clock. So I've just out a rough area, probably where to stand, but it's going to be rammed.
And that's the reason why, because they can't do it until you can see it and see where it is.
Right, I'm going to have to head back to Piccadilly Station. I've wandered through the Northern Quarter and the line to the Etihad is being repaired, so you can only get it from the station. I don't mind wandering about, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Here's the Millstone pub. I went in there with Si. It's got a channel Blue in Pattaya, now called Blue in Thailand. I bet it's as hot here today, Si, as it is in Thailand. Right, it's come a long way since I was here last time. Just have a quick look round. And then I've got to get the tram back to Piccadilly. I've got to get off at Piccadilly and go to St Peter's Square. Get the tram there to Deansgate. Look at this, it's not finished yet 100%, but this is called Medlock Square, behind the new Pep Guardiola stand. All this is going to be covered, it's going to have a roof over here. Going to be bars around the perimeter. The scale of it's massive. Not finished yet. We've got it sewn up. There's a co-op arena. Try and use my cheek highly unlikely. But if there's one little entrance that's open, mate, just let's have a look. You never know. Beautiful. No one here? But I had to come and have a look. I haven't had a look for ages. See the circle at the top? That's part of the roof walk. That's it. Let's get the tram back to Piccadilly, St Peter's Square, get the tram to Deansgate and have a look round there. It's a bit harsh for street photography, to be honest. A little bit harsh. Oh, it's a scorcher. So I'll get the tram, it's due in 8 minutes time. So this is for Deansgate, apparently.
Straight at Carnival.
You know you're an old fart when you're walking round under arches and dirty old canals when everyone's sat in the bars having fun. But I'm more interested in doing this, to be honest. Right, quite an interesting place, but best to come back maybe in the autumn with a bit of mist, a bit of frost, and definitely not on a bank holiday. So it's time to head back into the city and suss out where I'm going to stand on the route to watch the world famous, the best team in the land and all the world, parade the FA Cup and the Carabao Cup. That is the next move. I've enjoyed it walking around here. A bit scratty in places. I could tidy it up a bit, I suppose, but it's alright. Got a few good shots, I think. Can I take a picture of you, mate? With all that stuff on.
Champagne, that. That champagne off the lady's bum and all that stuck to me.
Blue moon, you saw me standing alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me saying a prayer for someone I really could care for. And then there suddenly appeared before me the only one my arms will ever hold. I heard somebody whisper, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, now I'm no longer alone, without a dream in my heart, without a love of my own.